Let's take a look at home security control with Savant. Savant puts security front and center. The shield icon will show us whether your alarm system is armed and disarmed across the different areas or partitions of the home. The system we have here has a basement partition and a first floor partition, which we can see are alternately displaying under our security banner in the services bar, with the basement indicating that it is armed and the first floor disarmed. To access your security system, we simply tap the security banner. At the bottom of our security screen are all the functions of our security system. From the arm panel here, we can arm or disarm a single partition. If we want to change partitions, we would do that here. This phone icon is a direct single press access to our local fire department, police department, medical help, and the panic buttons. Tapping the close button will bring us right back to the arm screen. Quick access to all the cameras in the house and the informative status page is here. The status page provides access to all the events in each partition of our home. Simply tap here, next to faults, to expand or minimize events by partition. Perhaps we left a door or window open, preventing us from arming our alarm system. This is where we can track that information. Our camera screen shows us the real-time view of each camera in the house. Even though this is available elsewhere in the app, it sure is nice to have access to cameras from our security service as well. Okay, let's check out the keypad. Just tap the keypad icon at the bottom of the screen. The keypad screen gives us access to many functions of our system. Since there are a wide variety of security systems available, Savant enables your integrator to change the labels on each of these buttons so they match the features on your traditional alarm keypad. This will help create an easy-to-use experience when we need to interact with our security system. This row of personalized buttons above the keypad allows us to choose features of our security system for quick access. Let's tap the plus button to make this one stay and this one disarm. Easy, right? Want to remove a button? Just tap and hold, and then tap the X. Okay, now let's create a security notification in the Savant app. Notifications are powerful tools that inform us of specific actions or activities within our home. Maybe we want to know every time the system is armed after sunset. From the home screen, we swipe right to the settings page. Then swipe up to find our option for notifications. To make a new notification, press this plus button in the top right corner of our screen. Then, select Security to reveal the notification options you can configure. We'll select System Armed Away, then tap Next. Just as we do with other notifications, we can now select more specifics about the notification we would like to receive. With Security, when we select Where, we'll see a list of the two partitions of our security system: first floor and basement. Done. Let's say we want to be notified when the home is armed away after sunset and before sunrise. Tap When, then tap Type, and select Celestial. This reveals a set of new choices for our notification schedule. So our reference start is sunset, and our reference end is sunrise. We can even apply an offset, like 15 minutes before sunset and 15 minutes after sunrise. We'll leave this notification set to all year and every day, but we do have the option to choose specific days and times. Now the app will send us a notification and email when the system is armed away or after dark. Pretty powerful. Tap Done. Next, we select how and where we would like to receive notification. We'll select Email and Notification so we never miss an alarm event. Tap Done, and we see our newly configured notification. That's Savant's powerful security interface. Stay safe. Here, boy.